When your DirecTV screen goes blank, don't panic. Most picture issues can be resolved quickly with systematic troubleshooting. We'll walk through the most common causes and immediate solutions. HDMI connection problems cause 40% of all DirecTV picture issues. Start by checking that your HDMI cable is firmly connected to both your DirecTV box and your TV. Follow these 4 essential steps. First, ensure all cable connections are secure. Second, try plugging into a different HDMI port on your TV. Third, test with a different HDMI cable if available. Fourth, make sure your TV input is set to the correct HDMI port. Signal reception issues account for 35% of picture problems. These can range from temporary weather interference to more serious equipment issues. Common signal problems include weather interference, which is usually temporary, misaligned satellite dishes, degraded coaxial cables, and faulty LNB converters. While weather issues resolve themselves, persistent problems may require professional attention. Display configuration problems cause 15% of picture issues. These are often overlooked, but easy to fix once identified. Check for incorrect resolution settings between your DirecTV box and TV. Ensure your TV hasn't entered sleep mode. Look for aspect ratio conflicts, and verify HDCP compatibility between devices. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, start with a simple power cycle. This resolves 68% of temporary glitches and should always be your first step. This systematic approach addresses the most common causes of DirecTV picture issues. Start with these immediate steps and you'll likely restore your picture quickly. If these don't work, advanced troubleshooting may be needed. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your DirecTV picture issues, it's time to dive deeper into advanced diagnostics and implement preventive measures to avoid future problems. The first advanced step is accessing your DirecTV system information to check signal strength and diagnose potential issues. Here's what the DirecTV menu system looks like. Navigate to Settings and then Info and Test to access your system diagnostics. The most critical measurement is your signal strength. For optimal performance, you need a signal strength of 90 or higher. Anything below 85 indicates a problem with your satellite dish or cabling. If your signal strength is low, you may need professional help to realign your satellite dish or replace damaged cabling. A satellite signal finder like this one can help technicians diagnose reception issues. Another advanced troubleshooting step is performing a system refresh from the DirecTV website. This can resolve software-related problems and update your receiver's programming. Now let's focus on preventive measures to avoid future picture problems. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your DirecTV system running smoothly. Using the right cables is crucial for optimal performance. For 4K content, you need certified HDMI cables with a minimum bandwidth of 18 gigabits per second. Proper equipment protection is essential. Use surge protectors designed for home theater equipment to protect against power fluctuations that can damage your DirecTV receiver. Finally, consider upgrading receivers that are older than 7 years. DirecTV is gradually phasing out legacy satellite-only boxes in favor of newer models with better reliability and features. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and implementing regular preventive maintenance, you can significantly reduce DirecTV picture problems and ensure optimal viewing experience for years to come.